Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean J 77 back at it again with another unboxing. Sorry for my voice. I'm sick right now, but that's besides the point. That's fine. So here you have it. I have this Gorilla Pod for you guys to see me unbox. So let's get to it. There you go. It's by I don't know if I say that right. Joby Gorilla Pod. So this one could handle, I think, 3 pounds and up. So actually no, 6 pounds, almost 7. Can you see that? Yeah. So this is good for like vlogging. Yeah, if you vlog, it's definitely a camera for you. And you can use this instead of can't think of it right now. A gimbal. There you go. A lot cheaper too. This cost me roughly, I think, $50. So it's pretty legit. Alright, come on. I'll just break this whole thing. There we go. Alright, there you have it. Gorilla Pod. It's pretty sturdy. Yeah, so alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you guys soon.